Hello everyone, welcome to I Am an Expat channel. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking a time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out for the future videos, and give me thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. I will go over some specs, features, and I will provide microphone and sound samples. At the back of the box, you can see the specs of the headphone. Here you can see the warranty sticker. The headphone can be used wired or wireless, and it allows you to monitor your devices or instruments such as piano, guitar, with the cables provided inside the box. And now let's open it and find out what's inside the box. Inside the box, there is a user guide manual. And inside the pouch, there is a pouch of wires and the headphone. The headphone is very light, and the ear cups can rotate 90 degrees. And each side of the headband, there are indicators. And inside this, let's open and check. There is micro USB cable for charging. There is also a 6.35mm jack and with a 3.5mm jack. The jack also comes with a locking mechanism by just twisting it once it is inserted. And it also comes with a 3.5mm jack with a 3.5mm jack. And of course, it comes with convenient carrier pouch made of leather-like material. The ear cups are also very soft and have oval shape and very comfortable to use and provide decent padding. The outside of the ear cups have a wavy circular design. The top of the headband, here we have a red stitching that provides a nice accent along the audio branding. Here, it can be adjustable. As I mentioned earlier, the ear cups can rotate 90 degrees. And also, you can fold in to allow compact storage design. And on the left side of the headphone, you have the micro USB charge port for charging, and also a 6.35mm port where you can put the 6.35mm jack. And on the right side of the headphone, there is a volume up, or it is also used for next track. And there is also power button that can use for play, and also you can turn on the Bluetooth using the power button. And also the volume down, it can also be used for previous track. Actually, I bought this to use for my mini home recording studio, and I want to set it up after this unboxing so I can start my cover song as well. As I mentioned before, the jack has lock system by just twisting it once it is inserted, so you can prevent by accidentally unplug the jack. Here is a sample music using the wired cable, the 3.5mm jack and the 6.35mm jack. I'm going to connect it to my iPhone. And then let's play a music using the Spotify. And also this headphone, you can listen to multiple resources at once, like using the 6.35mm plugs, for example, to an instrument, and using 3.5mm plugs into a smartphone or an iPhone. And you can also insert like this one, so you can share your music. Also, they can connect using the Bluetooth. You can also use the Bluetooth. You can also use the Bluetooth from the side, the on. Then you can find here the Bluetooth settings. There is a mic here and this mic also. You can find it's blinking. It's blinking here. It's blinking here, so meaning the Bluetooth is here already. So we have to put this Bluetooth. We have to remove this. Okay, it's connected. It's connected. And then we're going to play this song. See. See?
Chefs, cause she's a trade. She's so bougie, bougie. I'm a savage.
Okay. That's all.
Talk big shit, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy. Rich, but I'm ratchet. Haters get my name in their mouth, got it.
If you're going to put in the box, you have to fold it like that, like this. Yeah. Then you can put here by putting it inside, just like this. To put the wired also, you can put here, 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 and here, and you have to close it like this. It's easy to carry, right?